Hey guys, it's Paulina and today I'm going to be reviewing the Swagtron EB-7. It is a gift from a very special person and thank you to them. They know who they are. I'm very excited to see what this bike will bring and the unboxing of it. The box comes with the bike itself and then the seat, so it's in two parts. My first impression while unboxing was that the bike is very, very heavy. But that's okay because I'm going to be riding it, not so much carrying it. The cool thing is that this bike folds so you could fit it in your trunk, in a closet, in small spaces, in a patio, whatever it might be. And then it unfolds so you could ride it, and it's really easy to build. It's a two-step system, so it has a safety and then the actual clamp. Out of the package, you need to do 4 things to build it. But on regular days, it's only a 3-step process, and the first would still be unfolding it and locking it into place. The second step would be bringing the handlebar up and locking that into place. Putting in the seat is a one-time thing that you do while building it. After that, it just stays there. The bike is battery operated, and you could charge the battery through the bike or the battery itself. It's located in between the fold, and it also has keys so you can lock the battery into place. You're now ready to ride your bike. After checking the tire pressure, mine was too low, so we had to go get an air pump. I love the design of the bike, and the colors fit me perfectly, so that was good. The bike fits in an elevator without having to fold, with plenty of space. I was very excited to see if the bike would fit in the back of a small coupe, and it did, which was very amazing. You did have to fold the bike though. We headed to our local Target to get an air pump. We ended up getting a mini one just because we think it's convenient to bring around just in case we're riding and something happens. It took about 5 minutes to pump both tires full of air, which is nice and quick. I did ride the bike home, which was a 10-minute ride. I tried all 3 different modes. I got up to 17.5 miles per hour, which was pretty fast, at least for me it was. And that was using no pedal assist. With pedal assist, I believe you could go up to 20 miles an hour, which is honestly all you need for a bike. Here he was explaining to me the different modes of the bike. There's 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0 is just you, powered by you, no battery going into it at all. 1, 2, and 3, they go faster each level, and you could use pedal assist in each one. You could do only pedal assist, or if you want, you could just use the accelerator or a mix of both. To take out the battery, use the key the bike comes with to unlock it, and you just slide it out of the bike. Alright, so we got the charger out of the bike and we connected it, and the way you charge it is you just plug it into the wall, but the bike itself also has a charging port. It's right here. You just unplug that and plug the cord directly into the bike. Let's see if I can pick it up, guys. So, just for reference, I'm around 120 pounds. This is pretty heavy for me, but it's okay to put in my trunk, right? With a little bit of work, I need to go to the gym. And then you put it down and it balances it. Alright, so once you get it, I think over time it will get easier and I'll be able to pick it up more, and it's going to be a breeze. For now, it's a little bit of a sweat, but it'll get easier. I forgot an outro, but bye guys. Thanks for watching.